In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a business address to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to update. This is important because the address needs to be added directly from the business page itself, not from your personal profile. After you are on the correct business page, look near the top of the page and click the About tab. This section contains the main details for your business page, including contact information, location details, and other public business information. Once the About section opens, go to the left sidebar and click Details. This will take you to the area where Facebook stores the specific information related to your business. You may need to scroll a little depending on how much information is already listed on the page. When you are in the Details section, scroll down until you find the Address area. This is where your business location can be added or updated. Next to the Address section, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This will open the field so you can enter your business address. Now type in your full business address carefully. Make sure the street address, city, state, postal code, and any other location details are entered correctly. It is a good idea to review everything before saving so that customers can easily find your business and the information appears properly on your page. After entering the address, take a moment to check it for accuracy. If anything looks incorrect, make any necessary changes right away. A correct business address helps keep your page professional and makes it easier for people to contact or visit your business. Once everything looks right, click Save. Facebook will then update your business page with the new address information. After saving, confirm that the address now appears in the Address section. This final check helps make sure the update was applied successfully and that your business location is now visible on the page as expected. If the address appears correctly, then the process is complete. Your Facebook business page now includes your business address. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.